friends, we will discuss about four prepositions and these all are related to time. So what are these four prepositions? First one is till, second one is until, third one is within and fourth one is since. So first we will focus on till. So in Bengali mother tongue, till is basically porjonto ba obdhi. So let us take two examples, it will be crystal clear. The first sentence we are taking, till Monday I will not go to office. সোমবার পর্যন্ত আমি অফিস যাব না. Second sentence we are taking, till Friday I will do my project. শুক্রবার পর্যন্ত আমি আমার প্রজেক্ট করব. Now second preposition is until. So in Bengali mother tongue it is যতক্ষণ না অবধি. So whenever this thought in Bengali language is coming to our mind, যতক্ষণ না অবধি, in that situation we will have to use this preposition until. So we will take two more examples, it will be very clear. The first sentence is until you come I will not go. যতক্ষণ না তুমি আসবে আমি যাব না. Second sentence, until he told the truth the police tortured him. যতক্ষণ না ও সত্যিটা বলল ততক্ষণ অবধি পুলিশ টর্চার করেছিল. Now third one is within. So in Bengali mother tongue, within relates to সময়ের মধ্যে, that is within a specified time. So first example we are taking, within Monday I will call you. সোমবারের মধ্যে আমি তোমাকে ফোন করব. Second sentence we are taking, ask Mr. Ramesh to call me within 5 minutes. Mr. Rameshকে বলো 5 মিনিটের মধ্যে আমায় কল করতে. And the last preposition we are going to discuss, that is basically since. So in Bengali mother tongue it relates to কবে থেকে বা কটা থেকে. So we will take two examples again. First sentence is, since Monday I am not drinking Pepsi. সোমবার থেকে আমি পেপসি খাচ্ছি না. And second sentence we are taking, since 4 p.m. it is raining. বিকেল 4টে থেকে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. So friends, always remember these four prepositions and how to use this correctly. If you like these videos, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you can become the first person to see the upcoming videos. And of course, share this video as much as possible.